Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the core concepts and definitions. It is crucial to build a strong conceptual foundation before moving to advanced topics. Dedicate time to grasp the basic principles of microeconomics and macroeconomics. Regularly reviewing these fundamentals will reinforce your learning and make complex ideas much easier to comprehend. This initial step is vital for long-term retention and success. Once you have a solid foundation, break down complex topics into smaller, manageable sections. This approach helps in understanding intricate details without feeling overwhelmed. Actively solve a variety of numerical problems and case studies to apply theoretical knowledge. Practice drawing and interpreting graphs accurately, as they are fundamental tools in economics. Aim to complete at least 5 to 10 practice questions for each major topic to solidify your understanding and problem-solving skills. Effective revision is key to success. Create concise notes and summary sheets for quick review, highlighting key formulas and theories. Attempt previous year's question papers under timed conditions to simulate the actual examination environment. This practice helps in managing time effectively and understanding the question patterns. Identify your weak areas from these practice sessions and dedicate extra time to improve them. Consistent revision ensures you retain information and build confidence. Finally, maintaining a consistent study schedule is paramount for steady progress. Allocate specific times each day or week for economics. Utilize a variety of resources, including textbooks, online tutorials, and your teacher's guidance to deepen your understanding. Don't hesitate to discuss concepts with peers. Explaining ideas to others can clarify your own understanding and offer new perspectives. Remember, consistent effort and smart resource utilization will lead to excellent results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.